First exercise. Don't stop believing in yourself, guys. Let's go. Don't stop believing. 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 Exercise number 2. Good times never felt so good. Here we go, nice posture. Sweet Caroline, good times never felt so good. 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 Here's exercise number 3 for our American viewers. Here we go. My, Miss American Pie drove a Chevy to the levee, but the levee was dry. My, Miss American Pie drove a Chevy to the levee, but the levee was dry. My, Miss American Pie drove a Chevy to the levee, but the levee was dry. My, Miss American Pie drove a Chevy to the levee, but the levee was dry. My, Miss American Pie drove a Chevy to the levee, but the levee was dry. My, Miss American Pie drove a Chevy to the levee, but the levee was dry. My, Miss American Pie drove a Chevy to the levee, but the levee was dry. Fantastic. Exercise number 4. We're halfway there. Nice and short. Here we go. Oh, we're halfway there. Oh, we're halfway there. Oh, we're halfway there. 5. I want it that way. Here we go. Na, 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 na. I want it that way. Na, 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 na. I want it that way. Na, 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 na. I want it that way. Na, 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 na. I want it that way. Na, 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 na. I want it that way. Na, 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 na. I want it that way. Na, 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 na. I want it that way. Very good. And the final exercise, number 6, is what your response should be to those haters and naysayers. Here we go. If you don't like the way I say, forget you. If you don't like the way I say, forget you. If you don't like the way I say, forget you. If you don't like the way I say, forget you. If you don't like the way I say, forget you. If you don't like the way I say, forget you. Woo! Ah! Exercise number 1. It sounds like this. We're going to take it really slowly so that we can get that tune fixed into our heads and make sure that we are accurate right in the middle of every single note. We're going to do it on a bar. Ba, 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 ba. Okay, and again a little bit faster. And one more time, a little faster. Good. Do you want to try one on your own? Off you go. Okay, great. Let's start moving up the scale. Keep going. Really good. We're going to now move down the scale, and instead of doing a bar, we're going to do an open R. Accuracy is very important, so keep thinking about hitting every note right in the middle. Here we go. So we're up here. Keep going. Good. Wonderful. Very good. Next exercise. We're going to be singing La. First of all, we're going to take it nice and slow. Remember, accuracy is key. La 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 la. A little faster. La 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 la. And faster still. La 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 la. Excellent. Let's move up the scale. Keep going. Really good. Be sure to check your posture. Relax the jaw. Good, very nice. Now we're going to do what we did before. We're going to open this up to a vowel and move it back down the scale. Okay, so just open R's. Here we go. Keep going. Very good. Good. Keep watching. Very nice. Well done. All right, get a sip of water and let's move on to the next exercise. Let's do it on a bar, nice and slow. Here we go. Ba, 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 a little faster. And at normal speed, here we go. Good. Let's move up the scale. Here we go. Keep going. Good. Excellent. going to move down on a vowel sound. Nice open R. Here we go. Moving down. Keep going. Just relax the jaw. Make sure your shoulders are loose. Good. Really well done. All right. Next exercise. This is what it sounds like. We're going to sing it on a pa this time. Nice explosive p sound. Let's go. Nice and slow. Here we go. Pa, 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 a little faster. And at normal speed. Great. Let's move up the scale. Keep going. Good. Great. Okay, you know what's coming. Last time, we're going to do it all on vowel sounds, trying to keep it nice and accurate on every step. Moving down the scale. That's right. Keep going. Well done. Just check your posture. I want you to place your hands on your stomach, imagining the stomach is a balloon, and when we breathe in, we fill that with air, keeping everything here relaxed. And when we're singing, we're going to activate all those muscles and actively support the breath out. But the balloon will be getting smaller and smaller until we release and fill with air again. So let's try a couple, shall we? Put your hands on your stomach and breathe in, filling the stomach with air. Breathing out on a shh. Keep going as far as you can, squeezing those stomach muscles all the way to the end of your breath till you've got nothing left and you're squeezing those stomach muscles tight. Then release. Filling with air. Breathe out again. Release. Good. That's the feeling we want to keep going throughout all of these exercises. Now let's do the alphabet. Deep breath in. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Slow it down. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Once more, all the way to the end. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. If you feel like you're running out of breath when you do that exercise, I want you to go beyond that. So what tends to happen is when someone breathes out, they still have enough oxygen in the body to be able to continue talking. So when you're breathing out and you think you've expelled all the breath, there's still about 10 or 20% left in the tank. So I want you to start getting used to going into that emergency supply. All right, bear that in mind as we move on to the next exercise. The ha-ha exercises, which you may remember from the West End warm-up video. Get ready. Ha 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 ha. Keep going. 1. Here's the tune for the next exercise. On an R, one breath all the way through. Next exercise. In the next exercise, the lyrics are, "It's true, you are beautiful," which you are. And the melody goes like this. Deep breath, and here we go. It's true. And the next exercise sounds like this. Starting up on an R, and as we move down, we change to an oo. Here we go. Make sure it's all connected on one breath. Keep going without me, breath. Make sure you're dropping the jaw. Really relax, breathe. Good. Yeah, if you ever feel like you're getting tense and the voice isn't coming at the top, then just make sure you've got no jaw tension and you're not poking the head out. Nice and aligned and relaxed here will give you more chance to hit those higher notes. The next exercise sounds like this. I'm going to give it a little ooh-ah, or rather ah-ooh, starting on R's, switching to oohs like so. All in one breath, here we go. This is the last exercise. The melody goes like this. Nice and sustained on an R vowel. Here we go. Breathe in. Now, working that soft palate, we're going to do 𝙎𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙤, 𝙎𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙤, 𝙎𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙤, up and 𝙎𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙤, downwards. It sounds like this. In full voice, your turn. Make sure you're standing straight. Once more through, deep breath. Good. Okay. With this exercise, we're simply saying okay. We're going to start on O and repeat K 4 times. It sounds like this. O, K, 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 K. Now here we are doing full chest belt. So this is your speech voice. It's exactly how I'm speaking now, okay. So just say for me, okay. Great. Now we're going to put it with music and it goes like this. Join in with me. O, K, 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 K. Carry on. O, K, 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 K. Keep going. Good. Really nice. All right, next exercise is okay, here we go. Join in with me. My breath. Keep going. Keep thinking that sound forward. Relax, deep breath. Good. Really nice, well done. If you're struggling, don't worry, these things take time. You can't just go into a gym and pick up the heaviest weight and expect to find it easy. These exercises are all about strength building, so just take it at your own pace. All right, so we're going to be going even higher with our strong voice now. And so I'm going to introduce to you something that's going to annoy the heck out of your neighbours and probably everybody in your house. This is called a peacock screech or a baby cry. So all you have to do is a wah at the highest possible pitch that you can do with strength. So this isn't a soft voice, it's not a ah, ah. We want complete vocal fold closure and support of this sound. Okay, your turn. 3 times, please. Pause the video, do it 3 times, come back. Okay, so to continue annoying those neighbours and to give the voice a real workout now, we're going to do a nice run of twang exercise. Ging, ging, ging. We'll go for that forward placement here. When I do it right, I almost deafen myself. It kind of vibrates right in my ears and across the mask of the face. Ging, ging, ging. Ging, ging, ging. Ging, ging. High breath. Ging, ging, ging. Ging, ging, ging. Ging, ging, ging. Ging, ging, ging. Start to change to nya. Nya, nya, nya. Nya, nya, nya. Nya, nya, nya. Keep going. Nya, nya, nya. Nya, nya, Good, okay. We're going to work back down from there now. So take a breath, take a sip of water. All right, here we go. Keep going. Last exercise goes like this on a na. Na, 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 na. Recognize it? All right, let's work it through. So join with me. High clavicular breath. Na, 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 na. Keep going. Na, 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 na. Keep going. Start to think about the placement resonating in the head. Na, 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 na. Putting up here. Think about those peacock stretches. Na, 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 Good. Keep the sound tight. Na, 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 na. Remember, it's not pretty. Keep going. Last one. Na, 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 na. That was a top C. I know that's not a pretty sound, but the point is if you're getting any kind of strength on that note, then that's incredible. If you struggle to get up there, that's fine. Keep going. The more you practice, the higher you'll get. I wasn't always able to hit that note at all, never mind with any kind of strength. And also, if you can hit that note with strength, think about what you're going to be able to do when you really tilt into it to get a nice legit or operatic sound. Yeah, it's going to be so much easier. Exercise number 1, simply listen and repeat on a nice open R vowel. Ah, ah, ah. Carry on. Good. In the next exercise, Mark is going to play 2 notes in the interval of a third, so 3 notes apart, and I want you to listen very carefully and then sing in response the higher note. Here's an example. So Mark will play it, you will sing the higher note, and then Mark will give you the answer by playing that note individually. Here we go. Good. Great. So in the next exercise, we're sticking with thirds, but this time Mark is going to play 3 notes. Now, initially, you're going to continue to pick out the top note out of all 3. And then, after we've done that, we're going to get you to pick out the middle note. But first of all, pick out the top note of these 3. Good. Now we're going to make it a little bit harder by picking out the middle note. So here we go, you're looking for the middle note of each of these triads. Good. 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 In the next exercise, we're looking at fourths. Mark will play 2 notes, and I want you to first sing the bass and then the top note. So you're singing both the notes, one after the other. All right, your turn. Here we go. Good. In the next exercise, we're looking at fifths. Mark will play the triad, 3 notes, and we're just going to pick out the bottom and the top. Just like this. So your turn, here we go. Good, well done. Now for something a little simpler, we're going to do octaves. So all you have to do is sing the octave above. An octave is 8 notes. So just sing 8 notes above what Mark plays. For example, and then Mark will give you the correct answer. So here we go, singing the octave above where Mark plays. That's it. This lesson covers the operatic sound. Make sure your voice is placed a little bit further back with lots of space inside the mouth. Ooh, we want almost like this yawn feeling so that the space is wide in the mouth. Ooh. All right, so let's start with the siren. So siren up and down through the voice. Sing. And when you're ready, let's start the first piano-based exercise. Doing this on a nice open R. Keep going without me. Good. All right. The next exercise sounds like this. So we have a full scale. Make sure you are breathing down into the stomach. Nice open space. If you're struggling to find this sound, then think about yawning. Oh, okay, here we go. Keep going. All right, next exercise. On this one, I want you to do an E. I want you to think about the tongue position being very high at the back, and I want you to think about the sound coming out of the middle of the forehead. So thinking very up with this sound. Here we go. Good. And the next exercise is here we go on an R. The next exercise goes like this. On an R vowel. The next exercise goes like this. We'll use E to go up and R to come down, like this. Lovely. Next we're doing a chromatic exercise and it sounds like this. On an E. Beautiful. The next exercise looks at turns. This is a long phrase, so make sure you take a good deep breath for this. It sounds like this. And you take a deep breath there and it would move back down again. Let's do it with voice. With an R vowel deep breath. On your own. preparation exercise, and it sounds like this. I'm going to do this on an E. And our final exercise is a trilling exercise. It sounds like this. And we can sing this on an R or an E, whichever you feel more comfortable with. I'm going to do an R. Keep going. Wonderful. We'll start off on an R. And R. take it from that lower note and just bring it back up again. So do it for me in E, E, E. Good. The next exercise, we're going to start working into the higher part of the voice. We're going to do a simple arpeggio with Lars. I want you to try and avoid using your vibrato if you can. Just try and keep a nice, clear tone. Here we go. La 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 la. La 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 la. Keep going. Work down, and we're going to do it on me. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. So let's go a little bit higher, shall we? This time we're going to do a full scale with an extra note. It will sound like this on the piano. We'll hold it and then drop back down. We'll sing this on an E vowel. E. As light as you can be without breaking. And working back down. Wonderful. Now we're going to get a little bit more melodic, and the tune we're going to cover is called
The Way You Look Tonight.
And it sounds like this. Lovely. We're just going to do it on an R though. We're going to think about that sound joining together and being nice and flowy. Nice and flowy. Here we go. So on a nice R, joining it together. tackled that top C. So it's time to see if we can reach up to those rafters. Only go as high as you feel comfortable. So the exercise sounds like this. Here we go, we're going to do this on an E. Release any tension. Good. If you're finding that hard, release the tension in the jaw and try to drop your jaw down. The tongue is in a high position. Eee! So that's lifting all the weight off your larynx. Eee! It gives your larynx much more space, all right? All right, let's get the voice back into a comfortable position. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Keep going. Enjoy those vibrations. Moos. Moo, 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 moo. Moo, 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 moo. One more, two more. That's it from us today. Now, if you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to leave your comments in the comments box below. We always try to reply. If you're not yet a subscriber, then do press the big red subscribe button and click the little bell once you've subscribed, which is just next to the word subscribed, and that will let you know every time we release a new lesson. So I hope you found that helpful. Remember, perseverance does lead to perfection. So if you're desperate to have an amazing voice, be patient and keep working. So we'll see you tomorrow. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye.